the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Hello, welcome back. We are on what week are we on? Who knows anymore? Week 6, May 18th, endothermic and exothermic reactions, all right? We are building off what we did last week with the chemical reactions. We talked a little bit about exothermic and endothermic reaction when we did the grinding anvil, did the fireworks, so on and so forth. So those are examples of exothermic reactions when heat is released, all right? What you're going to need to do is have a mindset of the anchor phenomenon, all right? Keep in mind of how do glow sticks glow. That is the question that we are trying to answer here. What you should be completing and learning this week is to present collected data clearly through a data table, observations, and temperature data. Students are going to construct their understanding through seeking evidence and observations to differentiate between an exothermic and an endothermic reaction. And students should be able to explain how thermal energy affects the rate of reaction. All right, so keep in mind that is what we're going to do, what you should be doing, what you should be learning this week. Day 1, same old. Lunchtime, you guys are dismissed. Bring me back a cheeseburger. Same old. Words of the week is what you will be doing. Make sure you read in those, or is it going to help you understand. The Quizlet link didn't work last week, unfortunately. I'm not sure why it was blocked by your Chromebook, but what you can do to practice is write those in a sentence, or just make sure you have a good understanding by researching on Google other examples of how those words of the week are used in sentences. All right. Day 2, exothermic task cards, steel wool and vinegar reaction. This is what we're going to do. We have vinegar, we have steel wool. You'll see a Erlenmeyer flask, thermometer. You'll see the video during day 2. Day 3, endothermic reaction, which is ammonia, Epsom salt. All right, that's going to create some kind of reaction. All right, both of these reactions are chemical reactions, so just keep that in mind. After you watch the video and you complete the data tables, right here's exothermic data table. Here's endothermic data table. You are going to be answering the questions underneath both of the data tables, all right? So make sure you're answering these questions. The introduction underneath the essential question of each day, essential question, introduction, this is going to help out a lot when you are answering the questions, okay? So read that, watch the video, add the data to the data table, temperature, observations, and then read through the questions, answer the questions if you need to, read through the introduction again or background, it says in day 3. All right. Day 4, what you're going to be doing is reading the lesson summary. All right. It's only a couple bullets long, and then you're going to be answering the questions underneath the summary to help me make sure that you are understanding what is going on. All right. Make sure you understand what's the difference between endothermic and exothermic reaction. That is all I have for the overview today. We have 2 short weeks left. All right. Let's after this week, of course. Let's finish strong. We have week 6, 7, and 8. All right. Let's finish strong, and let's make sure we're doing our best and giving a maximum effort, 150%. All right. See you guys later.